Are you tired of juggling multiple pans for different cooking needs, struggling with food sticking to the surface, or dealing with difficult cleanup? If so, this Moss Stone round non-stick electric skillet could be the solution you've been looking for. This 12-inch electric frying pan with a ceramic tech non-stick coating, adjustable temperature control, and removable tempered glass lid is designed to make your cooking experience easier, faster, and cleaner. Whether you're a busy professional, a home chef, or someone who loves to host family dinners, this skillet will help you cook your favorite dishes with little effort and less mess. From pancakes and grilled cheese sandwiches to steaks, stir-fried veggies, and egg scrambles, the Moss Stone Electric Skillet will meet all your cooking needs. In this review, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and reasons why this skillet should be your next kitchen investment. Why choose the Moss Stone Electric Skillet? If you've ever struggled with cooking food evenly, or constantly found yourself scraping food off the pan, you'll appreciate the Moss Stone Electric Skillet's combination of advanced non-stick technology and versatility. It helps you achieve professional-level results every time, with a fraction of the effort. This non-stick electric frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen, offering the perfect blend of functionality and style. Key features of the Moss Stone Electric Skillet. Effortless cooking and cleaning. The 2 layers of non-stick coating on the skillet ensure that your food won't stick, giving you easy food release and quick cleanup. Whether you're cooking eggs, grilled cheese, or steaks, the non-stick surface ensures a flawless cooking experience. Healthy cooking. Use little to no oil, making your meals healthier and more delicious. The ceramic tech coating promotes even heat distribution for better results without excess grease. Precise temperature control. The removable and adjustable temperature control allows you to select the ideal cooking temperature for different types of dishes. With a range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily adjust the temperature to sear, sauté, fry, grill, or simmer according to your needs. One pan, many dishes. This skillet is perfect for a variety of cooking methods. You can sauté, fry, braise, grill, brown, and even bake. Make everything from scrambled eggs and pancakes to stir-fries, burgers, and roasted vegetables. Portable and easy to store. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and because it's electric, it's a great portable option for cooking at family gatherings, camping trips, or outdoor parties. Sealed cooking for better flavor. The removable tempered glass lid helps trap heat and moisture, allowing you to cook food faster while keeping it juicy and flavorful. Plus, the steam vent prevents overflow and ensures proper ventilation during the cooking process. Monitor cooking. The transparent lid makes it easy to watch your food as it cooks, ensuring you can prevent overcooking and achieve perfect results. Healthy cooking. The unique tilt leg design allows excess grease and fat to drain away from the food as it cooks, reducing the fat content and making your meals healthier. Easy pouring. The tilt feature also makes it easier to pour out liquids or grease without making a mess, adding another layer of convenience to your cooking. Ergonomic handle. The skillet comes with a heat-resistant handle that stays cool to the touch, making it easy and safe to move the skillet from the stove to the table. Durability. Made with aluminum, this skillet is both lightweight and durable, withstanding the test of time and heavy use. Its sleek, modern design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Perfect gift. The Moss Stone Electric Skillet is an ideal gift for housewarmings, birthdays, anniversaries, or weddings. Its versatility, compact design, and user-friendly features make it the perfect kitchen gadget for anyone who loves to cook. Peace of mind. Moss Stone offers a 1-year warranty with the skillet, so you can purchase it with confidence. If there are any issues with the skillet under normal use, you can contact the company for a replacement or assistance. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Moss Stone Electric Skillet? The Moss Stone Electric Skillet is a game changer in the kitchen, combining versatility, ease of use, and durability. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this skillet can handle it all with ease. Its non-stick coating, adjustable temperature control, and removable lid make it perfect for all types of cooking, and its grease-draining feature makes it an excellent choice for those who want to cook healthier meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.